How can I determine if a variable is undefined or null? How do I determine if variable is undefined or null? My code is as follows. But if I do this, the JavaScript interpreter halts execution. You can use the qualities of the abstract equality operator to do this. So if variable equals null, your code here, because null equals undefined is true, the above code will catch both null and undefined. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.